Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your default settings for the sound on your CHiQ TV. So to do this, you need to press this home button on your Pilot, which is located right here. You can see this home icon, so press on that. In the top right corner of the screen you can see this cog icon, press on that. Then go to the audio, and here at the bottom there's a reset audio settings. So you're gonna press on that. And from here, if you have your password set, you might need to enter it. So let's enter my password. It's basically 1111. And then, are you sure? Yes. And it should just reset the default settings like so. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.